Are you recording? Alright, welcome back to Roaming with Moose. This is our new series called Meals in Motion, where I, your host Heather, will show you some home-cooked meals that we make on the bus. Today, on this episode, we're going to be making taco gnocchi bake. You might be thinking, taco, gnocchi, what's going on here? But just wait, because I think this dish will really surprise you. Okay. Sorry, I have the giggles. Sorry, I can't stop laughing. If we can make it in the bus, you can definitely make it in your fully stocked kitchen, let me tell you. No excuses! Alright, pause this video if you're cooking along with us. The entire ingredient list and recipe is listed down in the description. So first things first, we're going to cut up all of our vegetables. I'm taking a half of a bell pepper. You could choose any color bell pepper. I just think red is like zesty. And you're going to dice this up. You don't want to have big chunks in your meal, like you know what I mean? So we're just gonna dice that. And then you are also going to dice one whole tomato. It could be any tomato if you're choosing. This one is just the vine one. I don't know what it's called. But you're going to also dice this up. Make sure you don't have any big chunks in it, unless you like that. Like, that's a preference, that's your thing. And we're gonna put it in that same cup. And then we're gonna take one whole jalapeno and we're going to slice this. We're not gonna dice it. We're gonna slice it into nice circular pieces because that's just like aesthetically pleasing to the eye. And then we're taking 1/2 of an onion. This could be any onion. I chose, I think this is a yellow onion, and you're going to dice this, but you do not want to put it in the same cup that you put your pepper and tomato in. No. 1 cup with your peppers and tomatoes, the other cup with your onions. This is very important.
Now it's time for the meats. I had to bring in the meat man. All right.
This guy really knows how to season his meats.
We have the meats.
So here sous chef Joey is adding some salt. He's being very generous with his seasonings. And then we're gonna go ahead and add some paprika. We're gonna add some cumin. And we're gonna add some chili powder.
That's the secret ingredient right there. Cattleman steak rub. It's got all types of goodness in it.
Oh baby, that's a lot of seasoning. But you know what? He is the meat man, so we have to trust the process. We don't want unseasoned meat here, alright? Aww, happy, yay. Alright, next up we're going to add some olive oil and we are going to start cooking that meat. So you want to have that on a medium-high temperature. And we're just going to chop it up. We're going to, go to town with this thing. You want to make sure that while your meat is cooking, your gnocchi pasta water is also starting to boil. So these two things are going to happen at the same time. That's a little scary, having two things at the same time, but it's going to be okay. Alright? Alright, then we're going to add our garlic.
That was a lot. Feel the
You
vibe.
can never have too much garlic.
There's our onion.
He did a big tablespoon of garlic. Do as much garlic as you feel is necessary. Then we're going to add the onions with that. So the garlic and the onions going at the same time. We're going to mix everything up, get those nice flavors. Really start to marinate this.
Almost at a boil.
Then, once your water is boiling, you're going to go ahead and add a whole package of gnocchi.
Splash on.
Then you're going to add a 1/2 cup of chicken broth. You're going to add 1/2 cup of marinade. You say marinade in this house. I'm Italian. Don't play with me. And then we're going to add 1 cup of red enchilada sauce. We're going to go ahead and add all of those peppers and tomato and all of that good stuff. And we're going to let everything cook. We're going to let everything get nice and bubbling. And oh my god! Look at that! Once your gnocchi starts floating to the top, it's done! Don't overcook your gnocchi. Hey, listen to Nona, okay? If you overcook your gnocchi, it's gonna become very soggy. We don't want that. So once they float to the top, that's it. 2 to 3 minutes tops, okay?
Oh, spillage. A little spillage in the village.
And then you're gonna take your favorite cheese of choice. We chose the Tillamook cheese because it's delicious. And you want to make sure your cheese is shredded.
You really just want to coat the top with this.
Yeah, this part is truly a preference. Whatever cheese you like. As long as you're gonna add a really nice top coat of that cheese. Get it all covered. And then you're gonna pop your whole entire cast iron skillet into the oven, okay? And we're gonna set it to 400 degrees for 10 minutes. While that's cooking, we're gonna get that avocado cut. This is a personal choice. You don't have to do anything else. But if you wanna add a really nice, creamy texture, it's gonna be the avocado, okay? Delicious. You wanna make sure it's a good avocado, because if it's a bad avocado, it could ruin the whole thing. That's time. All right, and then we're gonna pull that out of the oven, and it is gonna look so good!
Oh my god.
Oh! Fire!
Taco gnocchi
Is that what
bake.
the kids are saying these days?
So, little disclaimer. How we would finish this off, we just don't have the ingredients for it right now, is we would garnish this with chopped cilantro and some lime juice. But, I mean, even without it, we'll garnish with the avocado, and it's still delicious.
Absolutely 10 out of 10. Delicious. Guys, this is such a foolproof meal. Like, this is so easy. Doesn't take any skill. I am not a professional chef, and we live in a school bus, and I can do it.
It smells so good.
So you're gonna take your favorite tortilla chip. We like the blue corn tortillas, and you're gonna use that for dipping, or you can just have it plain, but the tortilla chip adds a nice little crunch. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, a comment, and even subscribe for more meals in motion. Thanks for tuning in to Roaming with Moose.